Hi guys, this is Priyanka Sharma and I'm a professional makeup artist. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about creating an illusion of a bigger eyes if you have small eyes with makeup. I'm gonna share with you 6 tips which I as a professional makeup artist follow. Before we proceed, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Your support means a lot to me and it helps the channel grow. With all that said, let's get started now. Step number 1. Apply a concealer to create a perfect canvas. So I'm gonna use this Maybelline concealer in the shade Honey and I'm gonna apply this on my eyelid. To blend this concealer, I would prefer blending it with this duo fiber brush. This brush is from Pack Cosmetics. The number is 74, or a beauty blender. Also make sure that you apply your concealer around your nose because you won't be able to fix it after you are done with your eyeshadow. I'm also going to apply the concealer under my eyes and set it with the powder. Step number 2, define your crease line. I'm gonna use this bronzer from Benefit and I have taken this pack brush number 58. I'm gonna pick some product, dab the excess, and if you guys can see that my crease line is right here, but I'm gonna apply this product slightly above my actual crease line, which will give an illusion of that the crease line is above and the eyes are bigger. Just look at the difference this step makes in both the eyes. Under the eyes, I'm gonna apply the same bronzer. I have taken this Pack 383 brush. Like you can see that it naturally creates a shadow, so I'm gonna mimic that. Step number 3, make your lash line look thicker. I have taken this Krylon pencil. It has both brown and black. I'm going to use the brown one and apply it at the base of my lash line. I'm gonna create a small wing and make sure that you sharp your pencil so that you can go in between your lashes. And then I'm gonna smudge it with a pencil brush. Step number 4. Take your shimmer eyeshadow and apply it in the middle of your eyelids and in the inner corner if your eyes are close together. If your eyes are apart, then what you can do is you can extend this liner a little bit towards your nose. You can also use your highlighter. I'm gonna use highlighter and apply it in the middle of my eyelids. My eyes are closed, so I'm gonna apply it in the inner corner. Applying a shimmer on your middle of your eyes give an illusion that your eyes are open and fresh and bigger. Step number 5 would be curling your eyelashes. Step number 6 would be applying mascara. I'm gonna use this Maybelline Colossal Mascara. When you apply the mascara, make sure that you're applying it from the roots. You have to apply the mascara on the lower lash line as well. Just make sure that when you apply it on the lower lash line, you are not touching your waterline, because then it would make your eyes look smaller. You can also apply a white or a nude kajal pencil on the waterline if you want to, but I'm gonna keep it as it is because I like it that way. So this is the final result of all the 6 steps which we did. You can see how much of a difference these steps make. These steps are universal and everyone with small eyes can use it. I hope you found them helpful. If you did, please like this video and share it with your friends who love makeup related content. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. आज तो मैं सेव पूरी खाऊंगी.
ठीक है, आइसक्रीम मैं खाऊंगा.
आइसक्रीम भी खाऊंगी. आइसक्रीम भी खाऊंगी मैं, सेव पूरी भी खाऊंगी. फेस ऑफ द ब्रांड को भूखा नहीं रखने.
ये चल.